Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to erase everything on your PC. First, it's crucial to back up all your important files to an external drive or cloud service. Make sure you have your operating system's installation media or recovery options ready. Also, disconnect any external devices like printers or USB drives before you start. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure data wiping process. To begin erasing, navigate to your PC's recovery settings. You'll typically find options to reset this PC. Choose Remove Everything to ensure all personal data, applications, and settings are deleted. You can then select a local reinstall for a fresh operating system. Be aware that a thorough drive cleaning can take several hours, but it offers greater security. For maximum security, especially when selling or donating a PC, consider using third-party data wiping software. These tools often employ multiple passes to overwrite data, making recovery nearly impossible. For traditional hard drives, physical destruction is the ultimate safeguard. Solid-state drives, or SSD, often have built-in secure erase functions within their firmware for effective data removal. Once your PC is thoroughly erased, you'll need to reinstall your operating system and any necessary drivers. After that, you can begin restoring your backed up files to your freshly wiped computer. Remember to install security software and update everything. And speaking of clean, why not upgrade your home cleaning routine? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space spotless effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.